Hi, this is Ross at Maui Powder Works.
I have this problem with my finish. It's peeling and cracking, and there appears to be a white powdery substance underneath. What's happening?
Oh yeah, that's a common problem. It's called electrolysis, and in extreme weather and climates, it can ruin the life of your finishes. What we do to fix this is we install a Dura-Life fastener.
Prevent the early onset of coating failure with our specially designed screw cap that fits any quarter-inch hole.
Give all your commercial and residential jobs the longest durability against corrosion in harsh environments, perfect for powder coated, painted, or conversion coated finishes.
To order your Dura-Life sink fasteners today, go to MauiPowderworks.com, click Shop, then click Dura-Life. While you're there, check out our other products.
Extend the life of your finish. Let Dura-Life be your protector.
How they thought it really should have been, and I ought to think